What's up guys, Stephane here from Forbidden Bikes. We're just heading up the Eagle Chair here in Mount Washington, up to the very tip top, and we're going to give you a course preview for the Stevie Smith Memorial DH race happening this weekend. It's down the track Monster Mile from the very top, which usually isn't open. It's going to be my first run down here. Check out the beautiful views up here. So yeah, come along for a little track preview, and hope to see you there this weekend. Well, I'll give her a whirl. Trail Crew's telling me it's going to be a rocky, fun adventure. All right, guys, enjoy. We'll see you down there. All right, here we go. Top of Monster Mile. Tip top. Okay, here we go. Right into some, oh yeah, good old chunky rock. It's gonna try to pick a smooth line. It is very rocky up here. Those guys weren't kidding. Oh, this is cool. Very rowdy. It's pretty dry up at the hill, so it's got some extra spicy conditions. Might have some rain for the race though. Here we go. A little flatter section. Here we go, popping across the road bit here. Boys will be motoring. Boys and girls. Alright, what do we got going on here? Okay. And yeah, very rowdy, raw DH course. That's for sure. Here we go. Oh, up camber. Oh, didn't hold the line there. And some trees. There we go. Oh, that's sick. This is a wicked track. Definitely blown out right now. Oh. Hello. For any racers watching this, these are the lines you should not be taking on race day. Oh, what do we got going on here? Oh wow, this is awesome. It is so loose and blown out though. Gonna be an exciting race. Alright. Here we go, a little bit of off-camber roots and back into the trees. Crossing under Helter Skelter there. Sorry, not Helter Skelter. Hustler. Blue flow trail here at the resort. Okay. Back into the trees. Little chunky section. Get a line through there. Oh, wait. This is the normal part of the trail, or normal as in usually open. You can access it from the Hawk Trail. Sure. All right. Fun little bit of tech there, crack into the open. Cool place for riders to regroup, catch their breath, probably slamming on the pedals at this point. Here we go, back into the trees. A little bit more rowdy. DH. Holy, it is slidey through here. Sliding rough. Okay. Down into the last sort of tech shoot here. Straight over this rough stuff. Oh! Trail crew's working away there. Getting it all ready for the weekend. Come into this big straight. It's just a long half jump. And we're down this road bed. Finish it off. The guys are just gonna be cruising through here. My arms are tight. Gap jump. And over. This is a finish line jump. There you go, Stevie Smith Memorial DH race at Mount Washington. This weekend, Monster Mile. The kids are stoked. Are you stoked? Woo!